Okay, today we're doing something kind of fun, kind of interesting. We'll see what happens, okay? We're going to start on our main account and we're going to go down to our sites. When you go to a website, you can do what's called a favicon. So let's go to the website, and I'm just going to pick this one's a real estate website. That's fine. Now, when I go to settings, you'll see here's where you select your domain. That's on another video. But see the favicon URL? You can actually upload this into our system, into media, and then you can add that to your page. A favicon is what shows up at the top. So see, I have this browser up here on the top right. See how it's got an F right there for a favicon? Well, I use this page called favicon.io. Now be aware there's lots of ad stuff on here and everything, but there's some interesting things. You can upload your logo, click here. If you don't have a logo, you can just do a text version. So like this has just an F up there. Or you can use an emoji, and this just puts something fun, so when your tab is open, it stands out. So for the fun of it, we're going to click on the emojis, and we're going to see if we can find something fun here. This one's about houses, so maybe we can find a picture of a house or something interesting. We got this 100 points, 100%. We got the email thing there, so any of these can be used. Maybe you want a robot to be your emoji, your favicon. There's lots of fun things you can do with these, and we won't go through all of this. But you can see you can use an emoji for it if you don't have one. You can also go back and, like I said, use text. So maybe your business starts with a D. Ours does for DigiPro. You see here the preview, DDD, and you can do the font. Maybe I want a square font. Maybe I want it to be a circle. See, it's got a circle there. I like the circle. And then I could do the font size, and I could do the font color. So ours is more of a green. Whoopsie. I want the color to be white, but I want the background to be green. So see, I'm just doing this little fun thing up here. You can see up here, it's changing it up here on this tab. So what this does, this makes your business just stand out one step better by making it look really cool. Okay, so I'm going to download this. It's going to download the zip, and this is a little bit technical, but it's not too hard. I'm going to want to extract all these, okay? Extract. Let it extract for a moment, and then find my favicon folder. Okay, so we probably want to do this 192 or this base one here. This is 48 by 48, and you're going to rename that for your logo. So I'm going to rename this DigiPro CRM favicon. That's the one I want to upload. These other ones can be used if you're doing an app or if you need a smaller version of it, but we're going to use this main size one. It's 48 by 48. That's generally the size that's used there. If you do an Apple version, there's a little bit larger one, but for our purposes, we're just going to do a simple small one. All right. And so we're going to go to our settings. And what I like to do, probably the easiest thing to do here, let's go ahead and go to our website. Oh, sorry, excuse me. You can upload it, but right up here at the top, it says media. I'm going to open my media library, and there's only a few things here, so I'm going to upload the file. Go to my favicon folders, do the one that I labeled. It's important to label it your name because Google sees the favicon and it recognizes it as your brand. Okay. And now this one, I'm going to get the link. See how I right click on it? It says get link. Copy that link. I'm going to go back to my sites. And I'm going to go to that folder. I'm going to go to my settings. And I'm going to put that favicon right there. And I'm going to save that. So now this web page is going to have that D with a circle above it. So this is a little bit technical. If you don't want to do this, you don't have to do this. This is just something you can do to add that extra touch when you're designing your web page. So hopefully it helps you out, separates your brand to be more powerful.